So welcome to the final video of our beginner series, and today we're going to be working on our neck area, which is often overlooked, but it's very important for overall lift and posture. So we're going to start with our swan neck exercise. This is one of my favorite exercises. Sit straight here, relax your shoulders, and then we're going to start moving our head all the way up and a little bit out, but just be careful here if you have any neck issues. And then next what we're going to do is going to take our tongue and at 1 beat per second go all the way up to the roof of your mouth. So it looks like this. Wonderful. We're going to go on the other side. Tilt your head to the side, and then your tongue should go all the way up and down at 1 beat per second. Wonderful. And you can go back and forth like this, maybe twice on one side and twice on the other side. Next, we are going to just place and take our fingers here and just kind of move them all the way down to our collarbone here. So you want to start here, gently tilt your head back and move your fingers all the way down to your collarbone. This is also going to release any of the tension here in our neck, but also increasing lymphatic drainage, which is so important after we do these face yoga poses and any kind of massages to release those tension and also release toxins from our face. Wonderful. You have completed the face yoga series. I'm so proud of you. If you are ready to go deeper, I have more follow along tutorials waiting for you.